Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Patel, and today in this video I'll be talking about knowledge sources in Copilot Studio. As you can see on the screen, I have new experience of Copilot Studio enabled, and now I'm going to click on agents. From here I'm going to click on new agent, and now as you can see you can provide a title for your agent and you can also write the set of instructions here. We are more interested to see what exactly knowledge is. So here on the right hand side you can see this option where you can add the knowledge. When I click on this plus icon, you can see I have got some options. I can drag and drop or click to upload any document, let's say a PDF or Word document file. And I can also see some of the options here where I can add a public website or a SharePoint data or OneDrive data as well. So before uploading data, let's understand that what is the use of knowledge. Knowledge basically helps your agent to provide more relevant information and insights. Let's say if you're creating an IT support agent and you want your agent to go through some documents in order to provide the responses to the user, then in such scenarios you can add the knowledge sources. Let's say you want to provide a guideline to your users about how to reset a password, then in such scenario you can upload a SharePoint library document or let's say a PDF file which specifies the instructions to reset the password. So by uploading such a resource here, or we can say a knowledge source here, your agent will be able to visit that PDF file, will be able to get content from there and will provide the response appropriately. You can see when I go to the advanced, right now in the new experience I cannot find anything here. Let's cancel this and also see this option which is search all websites. So let's say if you want your agent to search through public websites in order to get the response, you can have this search all websites available here. But if you want that it should only get the response from the uploaded documents or uploaded websites, you just need to click on this cross icon and it will not search through the public websites. I will show you the example of knowledge source by showcasing an agent which I have already created. So as you can see, I have created this agent which is IT support agent. I'm going to click on that. And here you can see I have uploaded 4 different files: approved software catalog, IT support guide, password reset guide, and equipment request guide. All of these are the PDF documents. And also I have not enabled the option for my agent to go through the public websites. So what it will do is that whenever I will ask this agent to reset the password, it will go through this knowledge sources and most probably it will visit this particular PDF file and from there it will fetch the instructions. Alright, so this is the file which I have uploaded here, you can see, and I can also download the file from here. Let's open this file and see. You can see it has specified a few set of instructions to reset the password. Now what I'm going to do here is that let's click on cross, go to preview and ask this agent how to reset the password. Let's see what it will do. It will go through all the knowledge sources. As you can see, it is showing me searching knowledge. Then it has also searched the knowledge. Now it is going to analyze all the PDFs. And as you can see, it is showing me that it is going through this password reset guide.pdf. And now you can see it has formed a response for me where it has specified the set of instructions to reset the password. And here in the citations, you can see it has mentioned that password reset guide.pdf, which is my PDF which I added in the knowledge source. So now I hope that you are able to understand that what is the use case of knowledge sources. They're basically the hub of resources which helps your agent to find the responses, and based on those instructions which are specified in those documents which you upload in the knowledge sources, the agent will form its response. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Bye bye.